Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2011 Cadillac STS. And on this Cadillac STS we're going to go over where you would add your windshield washer fluid. And your windshield washer fluid is on the right side of the vehicle, passenger side, right here just behind the light. Alright, so we got our cap here. You're just going to pop it and then you would fill this up. Takes almost a gallon, and then once it's filled up, then you can put the cover back on. Now you're going to add, because you need some washer fluid, but if you've gone ahead and if this is topped off and you're still not getting washer fluid to spray, well then you would want to be looking into other things of causing it, like either the pump motor has gone bad, or the line maybe is plugged up. And those are a couple common things to be looking at if this happens to be full when you think you're out. And so that's how you would check your washer fluid on your Cadillac STS. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the main